Hey all, have you tried this new Bumblebee tuna snack on the run? It's a complete kit. It includes the crackers and a spoon to spread the tuna on the crackers. And you talk about convenient. Let's say you're running late. You can grab it off the shelf, throw it in your lunchbox, toss it in your briefcase, or even take it on a road trip. Let me open up this box and take a look at the tuna close up, and then I'll give you my opinion on how it tastes. Come on. If you're keeping an eye on calories, you'll be happy to know this entire snack comes in at around 300 calories. Now, inside the box, you'll find 6 crackers, the can of tuna, and a small spoon or paddle for spreading it. And as you can see, there's plenty of tuna in the can to pile it high on each cracker. And if you look closely, you can see chunks of tuna, carrots, and celery mixed in. Now, as for the taste, it's surprisingly close to homemade chicken salad, especially for a shelf-stable product that doesn't require refrigeration. It's not too sweet or salty, and it pairs perfectly with the buttery, crisp crackers. I definitely recommend you give it a try. I don't think you'll be disappointed. Thanks for watching.